Hi guys, it's Colin again from GetJamaica.com, and we're here today to talk to you about the authentic jerk chicken recipe. Now, if you want to find 100% authentic Jamaican jerk chicken recipes, then there's only one place you can go to, and that is www.getjamaica.com. And when you get there, pick up your copy of Jamaican Cooking Made Easy, the third edition, Jamaica's largest ever published Jamaican cookbook with over 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes. And what makes it even more powerful is that this cookbook is downloadable in minutes. With one click, you can actually get all these recipes at your fingertips. And we're going to show you just how powerful this Jamaican cookbook is in its current format of PDF, or what is known as portable document format. Now, once you've gotten to the book, you've gotten your downloadable copy, you want to basically just scroll down. Here, a bit of kudos tells you who exactly owns the copyright to the material, which is Worldwide Realtors Company Limited from Jamaica. And of course, immediately it gives you what is known as the table of contents. Now, you've got your table of contents here, and then basically what you're going to actually be doing is scrolling down and looking in that table of contents, and you are looking for a host of Jamaican recipes. You've got over 500 Jamaican cooking tips and hints. You've got Jamaican appetizer recipes, soup, broth, and bouillon recipes, chicken and poultry recipes, beef, veal, and meat recipes, pork recipes, fish recipes, seafood recipes. You've got an entire chapter on jerk recipes. You've got baking recipes. You've got dessert and confectionery recipes. You've got easy gourmet and 5-minute recipes, sauce, seasonings, and stuffings. Very, very popular chapter. You've got side dishes, salads, and chutney recipes, vegetarian and Rastafarian recipes. We had to add in that particular chapter. We've got drink recipes, diabetic recipes, and of course holiday recipes for Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, and of course New Year's. Now today we're basically focusing in on the jerk recipes, and we're going to show you how easily you can navigate throughout this book. Just go ahead and click on Jamaican jerk recipes, and it's going to take you to that specific chapter. And of course, throughout that particular chapter, you've got links that go to every single recipe. So of course, you've got the any meal jerk stock, you've got the Boston Jamaican jerk sauce, you've got Boston jerk chicken wings, you've got Caribbean jerk pork chops, you've got the jerk dip, very, very popular one. And I'll tell you, one of possibly probably the most popular Jamaican jerk dish that is currently out there now is the hot jerked potato salad. Very, very popular, along with the Jamaican jerk pasta. Very, very popular dish. Very, very popular dish. So let's assume you want to find one of these recipes after you've gotten to the chapter. All you've got to do is go ahead and click, and there you have it. You're taken to the hot jerked potato salad recipe. That gives you a blurb about the recipe itself, the ingredients, and the preparation, of course. And of course, if you read it and you probably don't have any of these ingredients and you can't make this dish, then you can quickly just click on back to the top of the chapter. It takes you back up here, and you can browse through to find any one of those links. And of course, you can click and go directly to the home page or back to the contents page, and there you have it. You can choose any one of the recipes, any one of the chapters, and you can browse through these 1,000 authentic Jamaican recipes. So guys, we hope this basically tells you how to actually locate Jamaica's authentic jerk recipes. So till next time, take care.